P0330 knock sensor number 2 circuit code. Look what we found today on this Pentastar V6. Looks like we have a loose connection, so we're going to go ahead and replace this oil filter housing sender adapter harness. Chrysler Pentastar V6 knock sensor locations for anybody interested. That's knock sensor number 1, knock sensor number 2. If you have a P0330 code, which is a knock sensor 2 circuit, check this harness. This harness goes to the oil filter adapter. And check the connection there. As you can see, this one was extremely loose, but this connector went to knock sensor number 2, and as you can see, it's faulty, so check that. I'm going to come back real quick and add on to that last video, but I got this harness ran again, and it does come around the side of the engine to a connector down the side, which then snaps into a bracket. Let me see if I can get you down there. Alright, so now our oil filter housing, which I need to get out of the box, is going to go right back in here and cover up our knock sensors. Yeah, when replacing this harness that goes to both the knock sensors and the oil filter housing on the Chrysler V6 Pentastar, this engine's in the Dodge Grand Caravans, the Chrysler Town and Country, and also in the Ram Promasters. This is one of the part numbers. Let's see here. Well, that we have it as a 105AH5M Alpha. There's two different styles. I don't have the other one to show you, but this connector for the knock sensor actually pushes in, and there's another style that has kind of a push pin type. So this video isn't really going to be a DIY. I will do another DIY on specifically how to replace the oil filter housing and this harness. Right now this one came in for that knock sensor 2 circuit. It has a whole host of other things. This is the 2015 Dodge or Ram Tradesman, but it's also a Dodge Caravan. But it came in for a knock sensor 2 circuit along with a misfire on cylinder number 3, which I'll be addressing back here. But I did find that when I scanned it, this knock sensor was reading, but it had extremely low voltage. It had half the voltage that one had. So I took the intake manifold out and the oil cooler out, and I found that connection was loose. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this back here. And I just wanted to get some footage of this for anybody that's out there battling the knock sensor 2 circuit code. We'll deal with the oil cooler. I'm going to go ahead and actually be replacing the oil cooler on this one because it's a known failure point on these vehicles. This is, like I said, a Ram Tradesman, aka Dodge Caravan, but this is one of the most known failures on the Promaster, so I will do a video on addressing it on the Promaster. All right, so just stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. More to come.